The trail called the Path of the Tibetan is a new path that, starting from Malga Biancari, located in the Marano di Valpolicella area, leads to the territory of Sant'Anna dal Faedo. The path leading to the Malga, on foot or by car, is quite simple. Just after passing through the village of San Rocco di Marano, you will find some signs on the left that lead to Girotto. In the middle of this path, you have to cross the touristically known rope bridge that connects two of the towns of Verona, Marano di Valpolicella and Sant'Anna dal Faedo, whose territories extend to the sides of Val Sorda. The bridge, therefore, acts as a real border between the two areas. The rope bridge, an extraordinary engineering work suspended by ropes between the opposite parts of the valley, is the first implementation of its kind in Veneto, and even among the rarities in Italy. It is designed to connect the paths of Marano di Valpolicella with those of Sant'Anna dal Faedo. It has a maximum height of 40 meters on the brook below, is 52 meters long and 70 centimeters wide, has a handrail at 120 centimeters, and allows dual journey of two people in opposite directions. 4 ropes, each formed by a catenary of 4 steel wires 22 millimeters diameter each, support this work. For nature lovers and for children who want to experience safely the thrill of a walk in the vacuum, the Path of the Tibetan, with its wonderful bridge, is a unique opportunity to give free rein to their own desire for adventure.